River of Life, a stunning creation, exemplifies the magic of balanced design. Nestled along Kilkill's picturesque coastline in Sydney, this contemporary haven celebrates open living while paying homage to its natural surroundings. The brilliance lies in how this design masterfully weaves together seemingly disparate elements. The home nods to traditional coastal architecture with its double gable silhouette, yet the vertical timber cladding adds a modern twist. This interplay continues indoors, where bright white walls reflect natural light, beautifully grounded by warm timber accents. Stone details reminiscent of a riverbed add a touch of textural intrigue, creating a space that feels both serene and sophisticated. Balance extends beyond aesthetics. The home's form and function are intricately intertwined. The curved entry void draws you in, while large stackable doors seamlessly connect the living area to the outdoors. This emphasis and natural flow extends to every room, with perfectly positioned skylights and organic curves fostering a sense of harmony. Sustainability is seamlessly integrated as well. The use of concrete and abundant natural light optimizes thermal comfort, while the low-maintenance Palm Springs-inspired gardens echo the home's commitment to responsible living. This undeniably beautiful home stands as a testament to a great approach in collaborative architecture, building, and design. They've truly created a masterpiece that checks all the boxes, a home that is as functional and sustainable as it is aesthetically captivating. It's a space that truly celebrates life, balanced in every sense of the word. Project Coastal, a captivating home nestled in Sydney's northern beaches, exemplifies the power of balanced design. Stepping inside feels like entering a serene island retreat, a testament to the homeowner's vision and the skillful execution by the design team. The design transcends mere aesthetics, prioritizing a feeling of perceptual vacation. This is achieved through a combination of elements. Soaring ceilings with exposed rafters in the living and kitchen areas create a sense of drama and openness, reminiscent of the airy resort spaces. Large open windows bathe the interior in natural light and welcome gentle breezes, further blurring the lines between the indoors and the outdoors. A soothing neutral palette reigns supreme, fostering a sense of tranquility and grounding the space. Natural materials and finishes inspired by the homeowner's muse, a relaxed luxe island resort, contribute to the calming effect. However, the palette is not simply replicated, it's been paid back for everyday life, ensuring the home remains practical and comfortable for a family. The kitchen island takes center stage, adorned with a stunning Taj Mahal natural stone countertop. Its 80mm mitered edge adds a touch of sophistication and sets the tone for the entire home's elegant yet relaxed ambience. project Coastal stands as a testament to the transformative power of balanced design. Through a masterful blend of light, space, and carefully curated material palettes, the home achieves a resort-like ambience that seamlessly integrates into everyday life. It's a space that celebrates both aesthetics and functionality, a true reflection of the homeowner's vision. Stepping inside this captivating home reveals a stunning interplay of minimalist luxury and coastal chic. The chic white weatherboard exterior complements the impeccably styled interiors, with warm biscuit cream and eggshell tones creating a serene base, accented by gold fixtures, timber floorboards, and custom built-ins. Marble countertops, fluted travertine tiles add a touch of sophisticated elegance. The expansive back deck boasts a lush green lawn, a fire pit, and a covered outdoor entertaining area, complete with a barbecue and dining setting, perfect for summer evenings spent with loved ones and family. This home is bathed in natural light thanks to its wall-to-wall French doors, creating a seamless connection between the stylish interiors and the inviting outdoor spaces. Alfresco dining and lounging become effortless experiences, further enhancing the relaxed coastal ambience. A fully equipped kitchen features quality appliances, every corner revealing a thoughtful design feature, from plush bedding and towels to bathroom accessories. With comfortable bedrooms including a main with an ensuite bathroom, a queen room, and a bunk bedroom. Built-in wardrobes ensuring ample storage, while the feather soft beds promising a restful night's sleep. This home offers a masterclass in balanced design, successfully merging coastal elements with modern luxury. It's a place where relaxation and entertainment go hand in hand, creating an unforgettable coastal escape.